What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba Group with the ticker symbol BABA. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Just a reminder, I do have a course sale running right now, only until Monday. You can get more than 50% off my technical analysis course, and the first 6 customers get 1 month free trial to my top-notch chartist membership. So if you guys think I'm a good teacher, you like how I do my analysis, I try to keep it very simple. Instead of having a lot of indicators on the chart, I like to just, go over the price action. If you guys are interested in that, link in the video description below. So let's take a look at BABA on the daily chart. So it looks like since last week, Friday, prices closed at the 84 level, gapped up Monday, just like JD, and then dropped down lower, made a failed breakout, or at least a breakout. We don't know if it's failing. We could still go lower. So it did break out past this $80 level. So I'll go ahead and mark that right now because that was a very strong support. And we're going to mark the strong resistance, which is still has not changed. It's at the 120 level. So basically prices, broke out on the bottom side. So this could be a failed breakout and we could see a nice move up. The sellers are trying to reach this target right over here. So this is one strong leg down. The second impulse would start right over here, targeting the mid 50s. However, the sellers aren't going to, forever try to reach this target. They're going to try 2 times. So we saw one large drop from the sellers. Prices pull back, and the second large drop would start over here. So they tried 2 small attempts to reach this second leg. So we saw one large attempt. The second attempt starts right over here. But the second attempt could be a combination of 2 attempts. So we saw one small attempt right here, and this is the last attempt from the seller. So basically what I'm trying to say is that, there's multiple attempts being made to reach the mid 50s, and it could be coming to an end shortly because of this $80 support level, acting as a floor, not letting the price reach it. So if that occurs, that can lead to strong buying, getting above this EMA. If we see maybe a reversal pattern, that'll probably lead to higher prices because this is practically a ranging pattern instead of JD's downtrending pattern. BABA was in a downtrending pattern, but now it's in a ranging pattern. So we go from a highs to the lows, lows to the highs. We just hit the lows. There's a good chance we can come back up to the highs. We'll have to wait and see. But as right now, there's a good chance this $80 level will hold, and we can see a reversal towards the 120 level because of the multiple attempts from the sellers trying to reach this measurable target, and they have not been able to do it yet because this $80 level is very strong. So we'll see if that occurs. I don't want to just go off, a couple of candles at the $80 level. We need to see strong, aggressive buying. Maybe we need to see prices get back above this swing high right here. If not, maybe we just go a little bit more higher, like Tuesday or something like that, and then we can still probably drop down lower. So just because I'm saying it looks like it's coming to an end, that doesn't mean it is the end for the selling. So that's all I have for BABA on the daily chart. Practically still a ranging pattern. We're at the strong support. Let's see if it can hold. If it can, I'd say we go back up to the 120 level because that's how the market moves, from the highs to lows, lows to the highs in the range. But again, if we see a very short-term bounce up, then the buyers are still kind of weak, and we could probably see continuation towards the downside. But it is interesting and exciting times for BABA. So let's take a look at BABA on the weekly. So this was the downtrend channel for BABA. It's not inside of it any longer. It's mostly just going sideways inside of this pattern right over here. So we just hit the support. So we'll see if it holds to lead to higher prices. It is looking like there's the inverse head and shoulders on the chart. I don't really go over patterns like that, but the inverse head and shoulders just show signs of strength, and it's a kind of a reversal pattern, because if you think about it, when a trend is moving down, it's making lower lows and lower highs. So if a trend makes a low and then it goes up and it cannot make another lower low, that's when the inverse head and shoulder starts. You can see how the trend is broken, because now this low cannot go back down the previous low. So that's where the inverse head and shoulder comes from. It's basically signifying a trend reversal. But again, that doesn't mean we're gonna go in a bull market. I'm just saying, like, it's looking like a potential inverse head and shoulders could be forming. We have a shoulder here, a head, and a shoulder. So the past shoulder had a double bottom. This shoulder could have a double bottom, and that could lead to higher prices. But either way, you know, we're at strong support. If we see aggressive buying occur, you know, we can go back up to the highs. If this level doesn't hold, we're just going to break down, go back down to the lows and potentially the mid 50s. And I'll go and mark that right now. So the all-time lows could potentially come back into play. We'll have to wait and see. Yeah, that's all I have for Baba this week, Friday. And I'll give you guys an update next week, Friday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.